that decision you made has in a great way impacted why we are at Siphosethu Primary School. Not just that, but Siphosethu Primary School is the home to 11 singers, the Cllr brothers, and they are going to travel this year to the US, and next year they're going to be traveling to Europe. And it's because the presence of the deputy principal at that school came into the Learning Academy worldwide orbit, and resulted in these young people and their incredible talent to be expanded and be shown to the world. A grand export of South Africa, but a particular grand export from the soil of Intezuma, from the eThekwini municipality. Not only that, but Uganda is benefiting from the very generous initiatives and kind acts from Siphosethu Primary School. You might not know, Mayor, but and for all of us who are there, that Siphosethu Primary School this year made tangible decisions of helping a primary school in Uganda, sharing some gifts with that school, understanding that our own needs are sometimes not as big as we think it when we consider other people's needs. And so it's going very, very far. Not just that, here's a fourth reason why I think decisions matter and they go very far. The principal of the school, Mr. Themba Sokobase, you have been a champion as a leader to make sure that the impact of this particular school goes very, very far. And I've been so thrilled this year. You hosted 3 principals at your school already, 2 from the Western Cape and 1 from the Gauteng province. Siphosethu Primary School is becoming a kind of ecosystem, a hub where these collaborations between schools, these exchanges that sometimes we think should come from outside of the country, is happening right under your leadership in Intezuma at Siphosethu Primary School. That is incredible. How far does a simple decision go? While Siphosethu Primary School answers that question in the most profound, encouraging and inspiring ways. Profound because sometimes we don't think about the choices we make and how far they're going to go. Inspiring because they make a difference, they elevate us, they uplift us, just as we were uplifted and inspired at our recent summit. And so I think for you young children, I would like to just say 3 things to you as encouragement, particularly for our grade 7 classes. You know, we can lead. We can lead. We can inspire others to follow us. We can inspire them to follow our example. Siphosethu Primary School is that example. The province can lead. And in this regard, may I want to congratulate you for the very recent awards that you have received. Not the least the one recently in Zurich, where it shows that the leadership that the city is taking is being noticed and is significant. And so there is an ecosystem that tells our children we can lead, we can take the initiative. Secondly, things are more connected than what we think. Things are more integrated than what we think. We don't have to live in our own little pockets. And the kind of collaborations between Siphosethu Primary School and other provinces, the kind of initiatives that involve working within deaf education, for instance, the kind of initiatives that show that these young men who are great singers and are talented musicians are expanding their horizons, show that things are connected. The fact that the school, Siphosethu Primary School, is concerned about health and trying to understand how can we improve our understanding of the health needs of our children shows that things are integrated, they are more connected. And so young people, for you, one last lesson is decisions, the ones we make, sometimes small, sometimes bigger and sometimes grand, they do have consequences. And our mayor's own example, her own story, your story, the story of the leaders at that school, all our young people, all our older folks, our teachers, our parents, the decisions they make have in many ways blessed us, have enabled us to be where we are today. And so that's my encouragement to you all there. Decisions, the small and the medium and the big ones, they have a positive impact to make. And so I salute you. Congratulations once again. And thank you for allowing me these few brief moments with you and celebrating your achievements, your growth. And to all of you who are there, I wish you a fantastic and a wonderful conclusion to this grand year of 2018. And a spectacular, meaningful, wonderful, inspiring 2019 as you look ahead to make more decisions that will make a real difference in the lives of other people. Thank you for having me. Goodbye from Brussels. It's sunny today. It's a little bit better than it was yesterday. Someone great and grand made a wonderful weather decision for us. I trust that you are enjoying your day as well. Thank you and goodbye.